Hello friends, in today's episode we'll test and review the best free forever smartphone app for flower and plant identification. We'll test it on some of my garden plants and let's calculate its accuracy in identifying plants. Coming up. Whether you are a beginner or an expert gardener, identifying a plant is crucial for proper care and management of a plant. And misidentification can sometimes bring potentially serious consequences and might even kill your plant. Few days back, we conducted a similar test on a paid app called Picture This App, and the final outcome was about 90% accuracy. You can check that episode from a link in the description below. Now, let's conduct this test on this best free app by testing it in our garden and find out its accuracy. We'll give 2 points for each correct identification. We tested this on 10 plants. And this app scored 16 points out of 20. That means an accuracy is 80%. That's really awesome for any free artificial intelligence app. In addition to identifying flowers and plants, this app can be used to identify products, books, and even places. Now, the name of the app. It's nothing but Google Lens, developed by Google. You can download it by searching for Google Lens in the Android Play Store, whereas for iPhone or iOS, it's simply a part of the Google Search app. You can install the main Google Search app and just have to click on the camera icon to launch this app. So there you have it folks. Please like and share this video with your friends and consider subscribing if you're new to this channel. Happy gardening!